Okay, here's version 2 of my SSG Self runner replication of what Rick has showed us in the past. What you can see here is our rotor again. We've got 20 magnets, triple stacked, in a north-south configuration. We've got our primary battery here, which at the moment I'm using this whopping great big 80 amp hour battery as my primary. You can see the circuit, which I've cleaned up a lot. 3 transistors there, all nicely wired up together. And this is my secondary battery here, which is currently being charged. A bit of a junk battery that I'm trying to recover. Once again, up here we've got our recovery coil. Come around this side, the light's a bit better. It's connected down through those wires to the bridge rectifier you see up the back there. Okay, and it is pulsed using this relay here, this double pole double throw relay, which is pulsed by this reed switch you see here and this little magnet that goes past it every time. My primary battery at the moment is sitting at about 1322. Okay, now this system is not over the top yet. The current setup doesn't allow the primary battery to be sustained with the setup, so I've still got some work to do here. But anyway, we're going to connect this up, and what you'll see is you'll hear this relay clicking as the magnet comes around. Now, if we try and get a close-up of the coil there, you can see that that's actually a north pole coming around now. The relay fires, a south pole comes around, and then the relay releases again, ready for the next north pole to come around. Okay, that's this relay there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is spin it up. We'll give it a spin. I've added this globe into the circuit now, which sort of smooths things out a bit. The globe's connected in between the that pot there you can see, which is for the base resistance, and the base of each of those transistors. Okay, so spinning it up. At the moment we're up to about 14 kilometers an hour. This thing will get up to about 28 with a full battery. Okay, and you see this primary battery voltage here is fluctuating up and down. Okay, what I'm just going to do as this is coming up to speed, I'll put this on a 500 volt AC scale. What I'm going to do is just connect these test leads up to my recovery coil. One there, one there. If we go back down to the meter now, you should be able to see that this really pulsing, is really jumping all over the place. So that's the high voltage potential you see coming off the recovery coil. As I said, uses that reed switch to fire this double pole double throw relay. Probably see here right in close there some of the sparks that are being popped back into this primary battery. As this thing gets up to speed, the sparks get a little bit more frequent and a little bit bigger. Okay. So there we're up to about 20, almost 27 kilometers an hour. There you go, 27. So this thing will get up to about 28 when it's fully done. Okay. There's our voltage over the recovery coil again, and quickly I'll take these off so I don't blow my meter up. Back to the DC voltage scale. You can see it jumps all the way, but as I said before, still doesn't back popping up into this battery to sustain the current draw I'm pulling out of it, which is about 1 milliamp. sorry, 1 amp. Apologies. Okay, as you can see, it's pulling just over an ampere there. Got that connected to the negative of the primary.